is a family engagement day where we're bringing our families in with students, and we are distributing our one-to-one technology devices. The state of Nevada has had a grant around for several years called the Nevada Ready 21 grant. We have applied, and we were the only school in Washoe County School District that was awarded the grant.
It's going to help them a lot because it's going to get them to do technology more. I mean, some kids, they only use it as a game, like the phone, but they don't see any education level. But now, when they know that they're gonna have to be responsible, do their homework.
Like my mom, when she was growing up, she didn't have a computer to help her. I'll get her to learn about how a computer works and how it helps me in school.
It's exciting to me just because of the opportunity to really focus on creating curriculum that's going to be student-centered and have them learn at their own pace, and you can do more projects and more collaborations using the technology that you wouldn't be able to use, in a traditional classroom setting with paper and pencil.
They're just gonna make sure that I don't download anything wrong, and that I don't do anything wrong, and if I need help, they're just gonna help me put it into the things that I need to do with it.
I'm actually excited because it's kind of like my own laptop.
It's not just for students, it's for parents as well. So the learning that happens in school now is extended to the home environment, so they can really see what their kids are doing both in and out of school.